Hello, thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to be making this fun little monster. Let's see how we do it. Let's get started. We're going to want to cut out the middle of our plate. So our plates already have this indentation. We'll just follow that with the scissors. But to get started, I poked a hole in the middle with a pencil. And then we're just going to use our scissors to kind of inch our way in. And then I'll just continue cutting around the middle of the inside of the plate until I cut out the inner circle. And then you can move ahead and color your monster. You can use crayons, markers, or paint. I have one that I've already done, and I chose to use paint and color mine orange. Next, I'm going to prepare the teeth for my monster. I'm going to do triangles, and I'm just taking my scissors here and I'm cutting triangles out of my paper here. So I have all these little white triangles. And then I'm just going to choose what horns I want for my monster. So I have horns like this, or I have antennas. And I think I'm going to go with the other ones. So now I'm just going to attach them to my paper plate with tape. Here's what our monster looks like once I tape on the horns and the teeth. Now we just get to glue on the googly eyes. This is always fun. So I just put glue on the back of the googly eye, and I'm going to place it up here between the horns. I'll just glue it on for a few seconds, and I'm going to add a bunch more. So here's our monster with all of its googly eyes. I think it looks really good. But before I go, I have a fun monster fact. Did you know that a cryptozoologist studies monsters and undiscovered creatures such as the Loch Ness Monster and Bigfoot? I learned that fun fact from the Ocean County Library's database, World Book Discover Kids. I wonder what a cryptozoologist would think about our monster. I don't know, but I hope to see you all next time on Watch and Create. Bye.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.